Record now. Yep. What is going on, guys? We about to go out for a ride. We got this new ECU in from Superbike Unlimited. We got that in yesterday. I rode it a little bit. This bike, it's so fast, man. It's so fast now. Yeah, while the ECU was out, I changed the brake fluid. That was bad. And then I changed the coolant. Brakes work a lot better now. But this bike, it's loud. It's loud. Pops a lot more. And it's really responsive. So we're just gonna be riding around. It's a little cloudy out, but about 48, 47 degrees. So a little cold, but not too cold. So we're gonna get this warm start. Let it warm up a little bit. Oh shit! It's not the first gear. Neutral me. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. A lot louder, Whew. She dirty. We're gonna let this warm up for a minute. Then I'll see y'all on the road. Look at that, Roger. Like instantly, like barely, like look, barely. Hey, I recommend if y'all have, they do almost any bike. If y'all have, a bike or whatever, I recommend doing this company. Oh my God, it pops so much. I don't know where I'm gonna go today, but oh, like, the power, as soon as you twist that throttle, the power is instant. And the engine braking, it's not all the way gone, but I mean, I could tell, I guess it's a little bit gone. But yeah. Man, next week, no, I ain't riding the bike at all. The highest next week is probably like 30, 40 degrees. The lowest like 9, 10. So, but I think the week after next is supposed to be getting a little warmer. I think it said 58. So, yeah, it's good. Cops behind me. Is that a cop? Shit. Oh no. I don't think it's a cop. No, hell no, that ain't no cop. I'm about to do a little hit right here. Oh my God. That's it. Yeah, this bike, oh my God. And that tune was only, the tune's only, I think, was it 150? That's without the insurance and shipping, but I paid for the insurance and shipping, so it came out to 230. But that price ain't bad, not bad at all, bro. I don't know. I gotta get some new headlights. I'm changing the whole headlight assembly and shit. So that's about. Man, I don't know what else I'm gonna do to this bike. Oh. Well, we got Walmart. Alright, let me see y'all when I get out. Well, there you have it. So I'm gonna have to go to the other Walmart in Gadsden. So we're gonna hit the highway. We're gonna hit a couple runs on the highway for sure, though. For sure. So we're just gonna go to a different Walmart. I need some batteries for my GoPro. So let's go. Hell no, it ain't that. Let's see, actual 92. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm not in full throttle. Them bumps are fucking me up. Oh yeah. I don't even know how fast. I think it was like 132 or something. Oh yeah, 140 top. Oh man, that's the fastest I've gone. Oh yes. I better be recorded. I should be recording. Hold on, hold on. Yeah. Oh yeah, I am. Yeah. Oh my God! God damn, bitch! Come on, bro! Oh hell! Come on, bro! Come on! I'm waiting till this nigga catch up. Fuck, bro. Nah, that shit just pissed me off. That shit just pissed me off. Stupid shit, bro. Oh my God, that shit scared the fuck out of me. Nah, they tripping on that, man. Hell nah, they need to. Bro, I'm still hurt, man. That dude was almost killing me. Bro, whatever. Oh, man. That was really one of my first very close calls. Alright, well, I guess GoPro died on the way to the gas station. I don't know how, I don't know when it died, but it died. So, and this gas, this is my favorite gas station. This shit is closed. Yeah, so that ain't good. Where's the where's my other GoPro battery? I only have oh shit, it's right there. Oh man, I'm glad I caught that. But yeah, I'm probably about to end the video because these batteries I just bought, they're on like 15%, so make sure I'm still recording. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. More videos to come for sure. I had a good day, so that's good. I'll see y'all guys later.